My name is Larry Biegel, and I'm the senior partner of the Biegel Law Firm here in Monterey, California, although we represent people throughout the state and sometimes as far away as back east and in the Midwest when they have medical malpractice cases. What I need to tell you about medical malpractice is this, and I think it's something that most people don't understand. A doctor or a nurse or a medical provider can make a mistake which causes damage. But the real critical point is that mistake below the standard of care for that particular practitioner, his or her profession? Sometimes, particularly with cancer treatment, a doctor will make a mistake which will cause damage, but it is within the standard of care. In other words, there is a risk. And so one of the things that people who suffer from malpractice have to watch out for is, were they told of the risk? Were they told that, well, when you have this procedure, you might have a secondary case of diabetes as a result of it? Were you told that you might lose a limb because this treatment doesn't always work? So you have to look at the risks involved and whether you were informed of the risks and whether or not the actual procedure used by the professional was in fact below the standard of care. We talk to our clients. We have a medical professional on our staff. We evaluate these cases very carefully, and we try to let the client know whether or not their case qualifies to actually file a medical malpractice suit. Let me also emphasize, time is of the essence. When you find out or when you believe that somehow or another a negligence has occurred in medical treatment that you've received or a loved one has received, don't sit on that. Get an attorney. Make sure that we can get a chance to look at that and evaluate that. Otherwise, a statute of limitations may prevent you from ever bringing a suit and getting compensation for your injury.